Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable countertop dishwashers, the Gudsunal and the HAVA. If you're looking for a compact solution for your kitchen, you've come to the right place. We'll explore their features, pricing, and what makes each of them unique. Let's dive in. The Gudsunal portable countertop dishwasher is priced at $329, making it a more affordable option compared to the HAVA model, which retails for $399. This price difference can be significant for budget-conscious consumers looking for a reliable dishwasher. When it comes to water tank capacity, the Gudsunal offers a generous 7L detachable tank, which is 40% larger than the HAVA's 5L built-in tank. This means less frequent refills for the Gudsunal, making it a more convenient choice for larger loads. The Gudsunal excels with its hybrid drying feature and a high-temperature sanitation option of 192 degrees Fahrenheit, perfect for hygiene-conscious users. In contrast, the HAVA includes an integrated water softener, which is ideal for hard water areas, and offers 8 wash programs for greater versatility. In conclusion, both the Gudsunal and HAVA portable countertop dishwashers offer unique benefits tailored to different user needs. The Gudsunal stands out for its price and capacity, while the HAVA impresses with its advanced features and energy efficiency. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.